Welcome to this Alaska Land Mobile Radio training video. In this video, we will review TDMA technology. ALMR is currently transitioning to TDMA, or Time Division Multiple Access technology, throughout the system. TDMA technology has several differences from the older technology used when the system was first built out. Let's first review how a trunking radio system like ALMR works. As opposed to a conventional system, where one frequency is assigned to one area and the radio talks on those frequencies, a trunked system works differently by utilizing all of the resources available for any particular site. As a radio transmits to a particular site, it identifies what talk group it's on. In addition, each radio has an ID number tracked by the system. When a radio keys up to a particular talk group, the site then assigns it a particular channel. In this case, we can think of a channel as a particular slice of the radio spectrum. That channel can be different each time a radio keys up. Again, the system will take all of the frequencies or channels available to it and will dynamically assign that based on the use case in the system at the time. A networked trunk system works in a similar way. The site that the radio is affiliated with, in this case Site 1, is tracking the radio and the talk group that it's speaking on. When the radio keys up and wants to use a specific talk group, the system is assigned that subscriber unit a channel, in this case channel 100. However, because the system is networked, there's then a message sent to all other sites that have a radio affiliated with that particular talk group. For example, on Site 3 and 4, when there are subscriber units tuned to that talk group, the system tells that particular radio to go to a specific channel or frequency. As in this example shown, that channel or frequency can be different for each individual radio at different sites. The ALMR system is not a broadcast or simulcast system. Therefore, if there's no radio affiliated with that talk group, for example on Site 2, that particular voice or radio traffic is not broadcast. The reverse happens when a subscriber unit talks back to the system in whatever channel is assigned, and that may go back to the originating radio frequency or call. The ALMR system currently uses a technology called FDMA, or Frequency Division Multi-Access. This technology splits up the radio frequencies and carries one voice call on each channel. If we look at this example in what we refer to as a 7-channel site, we have 7 disparate frequencies that are listed. One channel or frequency at each site is designated as the control channel. That is used for data transmission to assign radios to frequencies and other administrative functions. That allows 6 voice channels remaining. Under the FDMA technology, one conversation uses the entire voice channel. Therefore, at this site, we can have 6 simultaneous voice calls occurring at the same time under the FDMA technology. In TDMA technology, or Time Division Multi-Access, the way the frequencies are used changes. Unlike FDMA, the time portion of TDMA refers to the ability to essentially time shift between 2 conversations on the same channel. If we look at this visual with the same 7 channels, we still have a control channel, which leaves us 6 channels for voice calls. However, under the TDMA technology, with the time shifting, we're now able to use 2 conversations at once on the same channel. Under FDMA technology, we had 6 channels available, or 6 simultaneous voice calls. That now doubles the capacity to 12. This happens at each site throughout the ALMR system. We take out the control channel and then effectively double the channels that are available at each site. If you'll remember, throughout the ALMR system, sites have different channels based on their usage, from small 3-channel sites up to some large 10 or more channel sites. As you can see, the benefits of TDMA enables us to double the voice capacity on the system, which therefore can eliminate busies in many areas. In addition, this TDMA transition is coming with an upgrade that updates some of the underlying technology or core technology of the system for future expansion. That may allow for future adoption of new technologies and new products that may be coming available in the near and far term. TDMA will allow the system to expand without a large capital infrastructure of new technology or having to license very limited availability frequencies from the FCC. The transition will allow future-proofing of growth for many years to come. The ALMR Help Desk is available if you have any questions about the system or require technical support. We encourage all of our users to visit alaskalandmobileradio.org and follow our Twitter account at ALMR_SOA for updates. Please don't hesitate to contact the Help Desk or the Operations Management Office for any assistance.